Hello everyone, I'm Upasana Taneja. Welcome back to my channel. So here we have a very important Maths Olympiad question. These types of questions I have done many times on my channel. So this question we have 2 raised to power t is equal to t raised to power 32, right? Can we somehow bring t on one side and constants on other side? Like if I take power 1 by t on both sides, right? What will I get? T raised to power 32 raised to power 1 by t. Okay, taking tth root on both sides, you can say. So here what will you get? It will become t times 1 by t, right? And this will become 32 times 1 by t. Okay, why? Because a raised to power mn is equal to a raised to power m raised to power n, right? So it was m raised to power n. When we can multiply the powers, this will become just 2 because the powers got cancelled out, and now we have 2 is equal to t raised to power 32 by t. Now we still have 32 on right hand side. Can I bring it somehow on the left hand side? So taking 1 by 32 power on both sides, t raised to power 32 by t, and whole power is 1 by 32. Whatever we do on both sides, right? So this will become 2 raised to power 1 by 32 and is equal to t raised to power. The powers will get multiplied and this we will get this, right? Now 32 and 32 can be cancelled out. So what are we left with now? We are left with 2 raised to power 1 by 32 is equal to t raised to power 1 by t, right? So, or we can write it as t raised to power 1 by t is equal to 2 raised to power 1 by 32, right? So, whenever you have this kind of question, you need to see now this is the important step. Suppose I have x raised to power x and I get 3 raised to power 3. Then I will say x is 3. Okay. Suppose I have x raised to power 1 by x and here I get 2 raised to power 1 by 2. Then I will say x is 2, right? This is how we actually equate the exponents. Now here, if we see in our question, we have t raised to power 1 by t. Okay, can we somehow make something like 2 raised to power 1 by 2? Like t should be same, like this. What can we do now here? We can see that 2 raised to power, if I write this 8 times 1 by 8 times 1 by 32, right? It would not affect the term. Why? Because 8 times 1 by 8 is what? 1 only, right? So this would not affect. Both of these are equal, right? Now what will I do? I will write this term as 2 raised to power 8 power 1 by 8 times 32, right? Because eventually we will get 1 by 32 only. I just manipulated it to get the answer, right? What is 2 raised to power 8 now? 256. And what is 1 by 8 times 32 is 256. And here we have t raised to power 1 by t. Now if you look at this equation, this t is what? 256. So this is one exact solution. Though we have another solution as well, we will get in this case. But if you get this type of question in Maths Olympiad, then we solve it this way to get the answer easily, okay? So for these types of questions, you can visit my channel. You will find many Maths Olympiad questions, short tricks and concept-based questions. So please visit and give your reviews. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.